This evening is more than just a celebration. Tonight, relax, enjoy, and celebrate each other because all of you deserve this moment.
Mga kasulit! 2025 is a very good year for CVM Finance and I'm so happy kasama namin kayong lahat sa journey. Handa na ba kayo? Kasi ako, handang-handa na. Welcome to the 2026 Kick-Off!
Ngayong gabi ay sobrang meaningful as we recognize the people who made a difference. It is a moment to pause for a while, to reflect, and most importantly, to recognize the people who made this year meaningful. At walang iba kundi yon ay kayong mga kasulit. Sulit ka dito! Sulit ka dito! Hindi naging madali ang 2025. It was a year filled with challenges, growth, and milestone. Maraming hamon, targets, and sacrifices. At maraming araw na kape ang tunay nating sandalan. Mas nanaig ang ating determinasyon. Mas marami tayong naabot. Mas marami tayong natutunan. Mas marami tayong dahilan para magpasalamat at magdiwang. Tonight, we celebrate not only the achievements we see, but also the effort behind them. The long hours of teamwork, the quiet sacrifices, and the commitment that often happen behind the scenes. Every individual played a part in bringing us to where we are today.
Race car engine tuned up, pit stop crew aligned, and all our eyes firmly on our next milestones.
Laban kahit nakakapagod at maniwala na posible, basta sama-sama tayong lahat.
Mga kasulit, sulong, laban, posible. Susulong tayo, sagot kita, lahat, posible.